Let's get strategies in from Harish Ji.
Overall, I think we remain bearish as far as gold, silver are concerned, and we are recommending to sell. Gold, I think somewhere at 26,120, 130 would be ideal level to enter with short positions. As far as targets are concerned, we are seeing around 25,850 as a potential area downside. We are recommending to sell silver. I think as far as levels are concerned, somewhere at 39,700 to 750 would be ideal target going forward. Copper, I think it is consistently failing to sustain the gains and again coming back to the levels of 400, 410 levels. So I think this level is likely to maintain further. So we are recommending to sell copper around 410 levels for a possible target of 404. Buying crude oil around 6,260 levels for a target of 6,320. Keeping a stop loss below 6,220 would be an ideal trading strategy.
Let's get in Dharmesh Bhatia from Kotak, and he joins us on the show with his strategies. Dharmesh, hi, welcome. How would you look at the crude prices, the kind of run-up that we have seen in this space? Nearly 7% up in the previous week, 3.5% up in this week as well. How much more further do you see the prices heading?
Continuously for past 6 weeks, price is showing firmness, and it made a lifetime high of 6,440. Any decline is a good level to accumulate. A sharp correction has been seen yesterday, but I would recommend to go for a long. Rupee getting weaker. International also is trading between the $100 and $101, and the gap is still shrinking of NYMEX and Brent crude. I would still recommend to go long around 6,150, maintaining a stop loss of 6,100. You can hold long for the target of around 6,250 to 6,350 on higher side. So buying on dips on MCX July crude oil is advisable.
Dharmesh, how would you look at the gold prices as well? Because yesterday was a strong day. We had physical buying coming in. The Chinese inflation numbers also supported buying. But today it's the Bernanke speech today in the evening. You also have the FOMC minutes coming in. Ahead of that, how would you look at the prices?
Continuously for past 2 weeks, prices showing firmness and trading between the range of 1225 to 1265 on higher side. International and domestic market, if you have noticed, the price is trading between the range of 25,600 to 26,350 to 400 on higher side. For intraday, I would still recommend to go long around 25,800, maintaining a stop loss of 25,600, and hold long for a target of 26,250 to 26,350 on higher side. So buying on dips on MCX copper is advisable.